YouTube recently added a new feature to their platform that can enable you add up to 3 thumbnails on one video. The benefit in adding 3 thumbnails on one video is that YouTube automatically recommend the 3 thumbnail and select which one performs better. And in your next video, you'll be able to determine which thumbnail style to use. Now on your video, just scroll down to the thumbnail section, click on test and compare. So now on test and compare, I'm just going to select the thumbnail one. I'm going to select the thumbnail I want to use as my thumbnail one. Click on enter. So now it has uploaded. So I'm going to go to the thumbnail 2 and select the next thumbnail. So as you can see, it has uploaded. So next I'm going to go to the thumbnail 3. So immediately you're satisfied with the ones you want to select as your thumbnail 1, thumbnail 2 and thumbnail 3. All you need to do is to click on done. So now we have successfully added 3 thumbnails on our video. If you are a new YouTuber, you need to upload your ID or consistently post for 2 months before you can be able to access this feature on YouTube. So if you are going to use this feature on your video, make sure that your thumbnails are different from each other and create different thumbnail patterns. You can see this is my thumbnail 1, this is my thumbnail 2 and this is my thumbnail 3. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and tell us your experience using this thumbnail feature on YouTube. My name is Ebenezer from Usa Studio. Thank you for watching this video.